The world is loud, but the truth is simple.
Imagine making $3,000 a month, without showing your face, without even being real. Sounds fake? In 2026, it's already happening. Welcome, young creators. Today, I'm going to show you how people your age are using AI influencers to make real money online, specifically through platforms like OnlyFans, without ever revealing their identity. You'll learn exactly how it works, how much people are making, and step-by-step how you can start, even if you have zero experience. First, let's break this down. An AI influencer is a completely digital character created using tools like image generators and video AI. They look real, act real, and build real audiences. Here's a real-world example. Take a look. A creator named Jake, 19 years old, built an AI model named Luna. She had purple hair, anime-style eyes, and a chill aesthetic. He posted short videos and images on TikTok and Instagram. Within 2 months, Luna had 120,000 followers. Then he launched an OnlyFans page. First month, 1,200, third month, 4,800, all without showing his face. No camera, no personal exposure. Now you might be thinking, why would people pay for AI content? Simple. Humans connect with stories and personalities, not just real people. In 2026, the line between real and digital is blurred. If your AI character has a personality, a consistent style, and engaging content, people follow, people engage, and yes, people pay. It's like anime characters you already love, but now they interact with you. Step 1. Create your AI influencer. Use tools like image generators, AI video creators, voice AI tools. You design everything: name, personality, style, vibe. Example. Let's say you create Kai, a chill, mysterious anime girl who loves gaming and late-night talks. Keep it simple. Don't overthink it. Jake spent just 3 days creating Luna before launching. Step 2. Get attention. Post short-form content daily. 10 to 20-second clips, aesthetic visuals, and relatable captions. Example posts. POV. You can't sleep and I'm here to talk. Late-night vibes. Who's awake? Jake posted 2 videos per day. Within 30 days, 50K followers, and 1.2 million views. Remember, consistency always beats perfection. Keep creating. Step 3. Monetize smartly. You don't need millions of followers. Even 1,000 loyal fans can work. Here is the math on how it works. Subscription, 10 month. 300 subscribers equals $3,000 a month. Now let's look at Jake's strategy. Free teaser content on TikTok, and premium content behind a paywall. He also used these additional methods: custom messages from $5 to $20 each, and exclusive drops from $15 to $50. Let me tell you a story. Imagine you're 17, sitting in your room, scrolling for hours. You want money, independence, but you don't want a boring job. That was Jake. He tried dropshipping, failed, tried crypto, lost $200. Then he discovered AI content. He didn't need money, just time and creativity. 3 months later, he was earning more than most part-time jobs. Not overnight, but step by step. Now listen carefully. This is important. This isn't magic money. Challenges you'll face, content consistency, platform rules, and competition. And yes, some people will doubt you. But here's the truth. Every new trend feels weird at first. AI creators, this is just the beginning. The earlier you learn, the more advantage you have. Here's your simple action plan. Day 1 to 3, create your AI character. Day 4 to 10, post daily content, 2 videos. Day 11:30, grow audience plus engage comments. After 30 days, it's time to launch your monetization strategy. Your goal, that first $1,000. Keep it simple, stay consistent, small steps, big results. If this opened your mind even a little, you're already ahead of most people your age. Goodbye for now. Follow and subscribe to keep learning how money really works in this new world. Comment AI if you want more videos like this.